Hi students, let us try to understand acid-base titration, right? That is also known as acidometry or that is alkylimetry, METRY. Now, what do we mean by acid-base titration, student? In this concept, 3 we have to keep in mind, okay? So that is two solution will be there, two solution, okay? Solution will be two, okay? One will be the known, another will be unknown, and we are going to treat this known to unknown. Then we have to find the strength of unknown. We have to calculate the strength means what? Normality. Okay, this is what we have to calculate. Normality we have to calculate, friend. Dear student, let us try to understand what is the meaning, exact meaning of this, all the theme behind. Acid base titration mainly depends on the neutralization between an acid and base when mixed in solution. Okay, so you are mixing acid or the base in a solution. More significantly, the strength of an acid is determined by using standard solution of base. So how we are going to determine the strength of acid? Strength of acid is determined by using standard solution of base. This process is also called acidometry. Okay, so let us try to have. Acid can be classified into a strong or weak acid depending on the amount of dissociation to give H plus ion when dissolved in water. Now we see this statement. If an acid solution of known concentration is treated, if an acid solution of known concentration is treated against a strong base, the concentration of acid can be calculated considering the fact that neutralization reaction reaches completion. For the same fact, only a strong base is used for the titration process. So in this case, the acid solution is titrated and the strong base is titrated or the standard solution is used. What are the procedure for acid base solution? The required volume of the base is taken, whose concentration is known, in a pipette and is poured into the titrating flask. Where you are pouring? Titrating flask. What do you mean this? Suppose this is the, we are having the conical flask. This is the known, what? Known base we are having. Now, the acid whose concentration is unknown is taken in the burette and allowed to react with a base drop by dot. So here that we are having the some burette is there, friend. This is the burette, and with the burette we are pouring this drop by drop. This is drop by drop, right? Up now, see, if you are pouring this drop by drop, this is the known. Normality and volume you know. From here, how much volume is going, volume will be known. This is also known. The normality you can calculate now. How can you calculate the normality? By the using formula N1B1 is equal to N2V2. So this way, an indicator that is used for detecting the end point is also added in the titration flask. When the reaction reaches completion, the color of the solution in the titration flask change due to the presence of indicator. When the reaction reaches completion, the color of the solution in the titration flask, that is here the color titration flask, changes due to the presence of indicator. The indicator used for the purpose can be phenolphthalein, which forms the pink color in basic solution and is colorless in acidic and neutral solution. So this is all about the answer. When the pink is color will appear, it means the titration is over. Thank you so much for watching, friend. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel and don't forget to comments. Thank you, friends.